Today we're going to show you how we assemble our custom printed dog tags. Our tags are dye sublimation printed and transferred, making the image virtually indestructible. Our tags are fully coated and almost twice as thick as our competition, a full 0.07 inches. All of our components or findings, the jump rings, clasps, the jewelry and ball chains are made of hypoallergenic stainless steel. The benefits of stainless steel is that it's a very strong and durable metal. And equally as important, our jewelry is safe for people with sensitive skin. We offer several different tag shapes and chains, and also many different accessories such as birthstones and charms to accent your jewelry. Let us make a custom necklace, bracelet, or anklet for you or your loved one. Remember to visit us at thatsabuy.com for all your jewelry accessories and jewelry boxes. Please let us know if it's a gift, as we have card and gift wrap services available for all occasions. As always, thanks for your time.